Best Sole Treadmills. To help you buy the best treadmill of this brand, we have summed up the top 5 Sole treadmills. Go ahead and check out the list. Number 1. NordicTrack T-Series Treadmill. This simple design and sturdy construction of the treadmill are the reason for its huge popularity among fitness enthusiasts. Unlike other Sole treadmills that have only a stylish design, this one also has a robust steel construction. Featuring uniquely designed handles, the treadmill ensures your hands don't get slippery even if they are sweaty. As for its size, the treadmill is 78.5 35.5 59 inches large and features a large deck of 60 inches. Owing to its size and construction materials, the treadmill is sturdy enough to withstand the weight of 300 pounds. If you're looking for a treadmill that offers you some advanced features, hands down, this has to be your choice. The reason being, it is equipped with a 10 inches large HD interactive touch screen display where you can stream whatever you want. Equipped with a responsive motor, the treadmill offers you a smooth running experience even if it has been on continuous operation. Furthermore, the machine allows you the flexibility to adjust the speed anywhere between 0 to 12 miles per hour. Plus, the incline position can also be customized between 0 to 12%. Number 2. Horizon Fitness T101. If you're looking for a Sole treadmill that is ultra comfortable and looks modish, leave all other treadmills on this list and look at this one. Unlike its competitors, this one is equipped with 3-zone response cushioning that enhances its look and comfort level a million times more. Furthermore, the treadmill also features easy grip handles and scratch-free footrests. Speaking of the size, the treadmill measures 7329.512 inches and has a deck size of 2055 inches. Not to forget, it is foldable and can be easily stored. Coming to the features of this mind-blowing treadmill, it has a bundle of features to impress you. Equipped with a mighty motor of 2.5 cdh, the treadmill does its job flawlessly and offers you continuous operation. The speed of the treadmill is adjustable and it can be set anywhere between 0.5-10 miles per hour. To enjoy a comfortable running experience, you can incline the machine between 0 to 10%. Furthermore, the treadmill is also designed with Bluetooth connectivity and a rapid charge USB port. Number 3. Sole TT8 Treadmill. Look at this stylish Sole treadmill if you're up for a chic and compact treadmill. Apart from its chicanes, the treadmill is also completely user-friendly. It is designed with palm-contoured handles that fit well in the palm without causing any discomfort. Furthermore, the treadmill also features a footrest that is meant to provide reliable stability to the machine. The unique thing about this treadmill is that it is large in size yet compactly designed. It measures 81/38 inches and has a weight holding capacity of 400 lbs. Sole TT8 non-folding treadmill has something unique in store for you. Unlike others, it is designed with Bluetooth compatibility and a USB port that further enhances the functionality of this treadmill. In addition, it also features a tablet holder where you can keep your tablet or Android conveniently and stream your favorite music or video. Besides these advanced features, the treadmill has all other basic features including 15 different incline positions, a powerful motor of 4 chp, and a large LCD display. Number 4. Sole Fitness F80 Folding Treadmill. This Sole treadmill is a loved choice of hundreds of users and it will impress you as well with its appealing and ergonomic design. Unlike others, this treadmill is equipped with large handles having contour flexibility. Given the fact, the handles fit well in your hands and ensure a firm grip even when your hands are sweaty. As for the size, the treadmill is 35/58 inches large and has a big deck of 35/80 inches. Plus, the running surface is 22/60 inches. Besides all that, the treadmill is also equipped with a footrest that does its job perfectly. From a powerful motor to an adjustable speed, this treadmill has every feature that you can expect in a high-quality treadmill. Featuring a 3.5 chp motor, the treadmill is powerful enough to offer you continuous operation for hours. To enjoy smooth operation, you can adjust the speed between 0.5-12 miles per hour. In addition, you can also customize the incline position of the machine between 0 to 15%. To your surprise, the running machine is preset with 10 programs that allow you to operate it at your desired speed, intensity, and setting. Number 5. Sole F80 Treadmill. If you're looking for a relatively compact sole treadmill, this has to be your choice. The treadmill measures 35-58-80 inches, the deck is 35-80 inches, and the running surface is 22-66 inches. Furthermore, the weight holding capacity of the treadmill is 400 pounds. To your surprise, the machine has a foldable design and it can be kept aside when not in use. The best thing about this treadmill is that it is equipped with a footrest that doesn't only keep the machine stable in its place but also prevents your floor from scratches. It also has the safety key to help you to instantly stop the machine if you feel unwell during the run. Coming to the features, this awesome treadmill is an advanced treadmill and offers you many user-friendly features. Equipped with a 4 chp motor, the treadmill is super efficient at its job and allows you the flexibility to adjust the speed between 0.5-12 miles per hour. Furthermore, the machine also has incline flexibility and it can be inclined between 0 to 15%. To add further, the treadmill has 10 built-in programs, an MP3 compatible sound system, a cooling fan, and a large LCD display that helps you easily monitor the settings of the machine.